Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add your own photo to a resume using Canva. If you stick with me to the end, you'll not only know exactly how to insert your picture into any Canva resume template, but you'll also understand the little details that make your resume stand out and look professional. So whether you're brand new to Canva or just need a refresher, you'll find this guide super helpful for creating a resume that's both personal and polished. Let's dive right in. First up, go to Canva.com. You can do this on any browser, and if you don't already have a Canva account, you'll be prompted to sign up. It's free and quick to get started. Canva is designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not a designer or if this feels a bit new. Once you're on Canva's homepage, you'll notice a clear Create a Design button, usually at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to all kinds of design templates, from presentations to posters, and of course, resumes. In the search bar that appears, begin typing resume. You'll see resume pop up as a suggested option. Give that a click. Typing resume simply filters out all the unrelated templates so you can jump straight to what you need. Now comes the fun part, browsing through Canva's resume templates. There are tons to choose from: colorful, minimal, classic, modern. It really depends on your style and the kind of job you're applying for. Try to pick one that reflects your personality but still feels appropriate for your industry. Once you find a template you like, just click on it and then hit the Customize this template button. This will open up the template in Canva's editor where you can modify everything, including fonts, colors, and of course your photo. Alright, let's make your resume uniquely yours. Look for the spot in the template reserved for a photo. Most resume templates will have a placeholder or a circle where the photo goes. Now you need to upload your own picture, so hop over to the Uploads tab on the left-hand toolbar. It looks like a little cloud with an arrow. Click it, then click the Upload Files button and find your photo on your computer or phone. It's a good idea to choose a photo that's professional, not necessarily stiff, but definitely one where you look approachable and put together, like a friendly LinkedIn profile picture. Once your photo uploads, you'll see it appear in your Uploads gallery. Simply drag your photo onto the template right over the spot where the placeholder image is. Canva makes it easy. As soon as you drag your image onto the existing photo, it will snap into place, automatically cropping it to the right shape and size. If you ever find that the alignment isn't quite right, you can double-click your photo to readjust the framing or zoom in and out until you're happy with how you look. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. You want to make sure you're presenting your best self. And that's pretty much it. You've replaced the stock template photo with your own picture, giving your resume that personal touch recruiters love to see. Canva saves changes as you work, so you're all set. From here, you can download your resume as a PDF or share it online. Just make sure to review everything before sending it out. I hope this guide made adding your photo on a Canva resume super straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and feel free to jump into the comments if you have any questions or want to share your own tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.